There you go. Daddy will start it because I tightened it a little bit tight. And oop. Daddy will get it started for you, son. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice and straight. Push and turn. Gotta push hard. There it is. Well done, son. Oh, you got that one nice. Quick.
Yes.
All right, that one's done.
Yes. Yes.
I know it feels good to do work and get it done. I know the feeling. Now you know the feeling, more importantly. Gotta line it up straight. I love it. Breathing all hard, taking it all seriously. You can do it, son.
Yes.
You did it again. High five, son. You're doing it. Woo.
No.
You're gonna earn a little snack. These just came in. Thank you, Omi. Say thank you, Omi, for the
Thank you, Omi,
for this. It's beef jerky. It's meat sticks.
Thank you for
The meat sticks.
Thank you for the meat sticks. Can I eat the meat sticks?
Let's see how much more. Let's finish all the drawers. Oh, you did both of these already. You did this one. You did this one. Did you do those?
Yes.
You did. Ooh, we gotta paint that. We got a little maintenance to do around here. Good job, son. All right. Well, no more cabinet stuff. Because you're a big boy, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, Kiernan. I love you.
I love you. Can I eat this?
Yes, let's get a meat stick.